Welcome to Sourcegraph. You now have the power to search, navigate, and understand your entire codebase in one place. Let's get you started with the fundamentals. Everything begins here. Sourcegraph uses a powerful query language. You can type simple keywords, or you can use filters like repo to narrow your focus immediately. Let's look for the React repository. Here's your results overview. Sourcegraph scans across all your repositories at once, even if they're hosted on different platforms like GitHub, Bitbucket, or GitLab. You can get an immediate snapshot, repository descriptions, tags, and metadata like star count or last updated times. It's not just a list of links. It's a high-level view of your code's health and structure. When you have thousands of results, you need to filter. The sidebar on the left is your control center. You can filter by type, switching from repositories to actual code, specific file paths, even commit messages, or filter by topic to isolate specific frameworks or languages. Once you crafted the perfect search, you don't want to lose it. Under the Actions menu, you can save search. This is great for complex search queries you want to use over and over again. When you need to collaborate, just share the URL. Sourcegraph links are precise. Your teammates will see exactly what you see, making code reviews and debugging sessions faster than ever. For those who prefer spreadsheets, you can even give them an export of your search results in a CSV format. That's the core of Sourcegraph. Search, filter, and share across your entire codebase in seconds. Run your first search now.